Show the parts to be installed. The instrument includes 2 spare fuses that can be used to replace the fuse inside the instrument in case of breakage. Use a screwdriver to gently pry open the fuse holder, and then replace the broken fuse with one of the spare fuses. Install the accessory holder. Install the face handle. Install the body handle. Put all the installed handles into the corresponding accessory holder in turn. After all parts are installed, turn on the instrument. Choose the required function from the options. Rejuvenation, solution, soothing, and individual. Turn off the instrument and unplug the power cable.